I own Wise as well and have done for a while. Business really I admire. I've been a customer since I first moved here about 10 years ago. I think originally it was just still called TransferWise. And it's fundamentally, I think, set in a really interesting space. It's one of those businesses that's serving customers incredibly well and solving a really important problem. I think what we've really seen and what's been the big growth driver for this company is moving from a pure consumer product into a more established professional product where big banking partners are actually using this to move the money around. So that infrastructure that they've built, I think, has become really valuable. I think the key question, of course, for this name as well is going to be the stablecoin, because we've seen such strong regulatory support in the US and then a significant amount of innovation. So we've got some startups that are trying to tackle this whole problem from that perspective, where money now potentially is going to move on the stablecoin rails rather than in the banking system rails, potentially. This is all still early stage, but I think it's worth sort of focusing in on this. And I think a lot of the commentary on Wise has been about that. I think it's also going to be interesting how they're potentially going to go for their banking license. So what impact that's going to have on the interest income economics that the business has. So at the moment, they have this strange luxury where they couldn't really pay interest to their customers and use that in a way to really heavily invest. But those are, I think, two dynamics, I would say, to look at and to try to really understand in underwriting the long-term investment thesis for this business. But fundamentally, incredible business, incredible traction, one of a kind management team,